Good morning, children. Now this is 7th class social studies. This is the 9th lesson, children. We already completed 8 lessons in your class. What is that? This production in a factory, a paper mill. What it is? Paper mill. Students, we know handicrafts. That handicrafts production made by man along with the help of his family members in a house. Okay, children? But in the house, the handicraft persons they are producing a small quantity of goods. Okay, but these goods are selling and some are purchasing. So in this process, they are earning some amount, children. To run the family, these handicrafts works are important to the two families. But when we invented machines to produce the goods, what happened here? We set up machines in a particular place. So that is called factory. In that factory, what happened? In the handicraft person's family, the two person and his family members, 5 members or 4 members only doing for the production of the work. But in the factory, what happened? To run the machines, many workers are appointed by the factory owners. These all workers are producing goods in the factory with the help of machines. Okay, children? So when they are producing goods, they are producing large amount of quality goods. Large amount of goods. Okay, children? So here they are producing from factories large amount. In handicraft person, they are producing small quantity of goods. Okay, so that is the difference between this handicraft person house and also this factory. So here factory means many workers are doing. So much production is producing. That we keep in mind in our class, in this lesson, children. So that is the difference between handicrafts and factory. Next one, use of paper. Children, we know what is the use of paper. For example, your textbook. Okay, so these are the papers. So these all papers made by what is? Next one, you are writing examinations upon the paper. Next one, after completion of your exams, your teacher will issue progress cards. Again, that is paper. Okay, children? Next one, we know money, paper currency. Okay, children? Next one, files, registers, attendance registers, accountant books. Okay, these all are made by paper. Okay, children? So, paper is very important thing, essential thing to us. So, this is all papers. So, these papers made by, how it is made in the factory. Okay, children? It is made in the factories. Now, children, look at paper mills. So, here paper mills are producing paper. With the paper, some workers are making notebooks, register books, account books, progress cards, okay, textbooks, materials, etc., etc., children. Now they are supplying to all schools and colleges, offices, etc. So we are the consumers. We are using this paper for our examination, for our textbook reading. Okay, so like that, children. Next, here in our Andhra Pradesh, how many paper mills are there? 2 paper mills are there, children. So these 2 paper mills are producing paper. What are the 2 paper mills here? We can find one paper mill Rajahmundry. Second one is in Kurnool. So in our Andhra Pradesh, we have 2 paper mills. First one is Rajahmundry. Second one is Kurnool. So these are the 2 paper mills in our Andhra Pradesh. Next one, what is the meaning of raw material? Here raw material means required material, that means commodities to make the paper, that is called raw material. Okay, so what is the raw material or what is the requirement of the paper? Here bamboo, wood is important. for production of paper. Okay, how the wood is coming? From the bamboo trees and also eucalyptus trees and also subabul trees. So these three are main important to making paper or wood. From this wood we are making paper in paper mill, children. What are the three trees here? Here bamboo tree, eucalyptus tree and also subabul tree. What is that? Subabul tree. So these are the three trees are using for wood. This wood is using for making paper in paper mills. Next one, nowadays at present we are abundantly using the subabul wood for making paper. So subabul is most important one at present. Okay children. Next one, this is the raw material. Wood is one of the raw material. This raw material coming from the three kinds of trees. First one is bamboo, second one is subabul, third one is eucalyptus. Okay, now here apart from wood we need raw material for paper, chemicals. What are the chemicals? We need common salt, children. Okay, so we need wood and also common salt. Next one, caustic soda. What is that? Caustic soda. So these three are the raw material of paper. Okay, caustic soda, common salt, wood. So these three are the raw materials of making paper. Okay, next one, when we are making paper in factory, some scrap is there. Okay, that scrap also recycling by the workers and it make as paper once again. Okay children, so recycling scrap paper also recycled and making paper by workers in factories. Next children, machinery important to making paper. What is the requirement here? Wood is requirement, caustic soda requirement and also common salt. Okay, apart from these three, machinery is important. So how the machinery will run? Electricity is required. Okay, so with that electricity the machinery is running by the workers. How much is the electricity we required for every year? 25 megawatts of electricity we required. Half of the megacity will using by the raw material and scrap of this one paper and half we will purchase from the electricity department. And also we need clear water, children. Okay children, so now here the requirements of paper making: clear water, electricity, machinery, workers, caustic soda, okay, common salt, wood. So these seven are very important requirements of making paper. Okay children. Next one, paper mills and disappearance of bamboo. So first we are using bamboo trees for paper making. So here contractors are encouraging the tribal people who are living near forest area. The tribal people went and cut down the bamboo trees in forest area. So that is why what happened? Here the forest area greenery will be decreased. Okay, so when the forest area greenery decreased, what happened? So it is effective. The impact is upon the remaining things also. So that is why they could not find after many years the bamboo in forest area. Okay children, why? Because this is very soft wood. Okay, bamboo tree, subabul tree, eucalyptus tree, this wood is very soft. So soft wood is suitable for making paper. Okay children, but after some years what happened? The bamboo trees will disappeared. Okay, next one, contractors. So these contractors encourage the tribal people. So these tribal people supplied to the contractors this bamboo tree. These contractors will supply to the industries or factories. So that is the procedure children. Okay, so where we can find here Konavaram Hills. Okay, so in Konavaram Hills they cut off from factories the bamboo. Okay, so that is happened. Next one, when the bamboo trees are disappeared, so immediately the contractors focused upon the alternative trees. Okay, so what are the alternative raw material of this paper? Subabul. Okay, so that's why government encouraged the farmers to grow the subabul trees in their farmlands. Okay, they gave some amount to as loan. Okay, they encouraged the farmers. So now in almost every village we can see in their farmlands the farmers growing subabul trees. Okay, at 4 or 5 years the subabul trees will come. Okay, then they will cut by the workers, and these subabul wood will bring by the lorries to the factory area children. Okay, so that is now at present we can see in the factory areas. Okay, next one, lorries are bringing the subabul trees to the factory. Here two gates are there. One gate is for men, another gate is for lorries children. So the lorries had to wait up to 9:30 morning AM. So after 9:30 the concerning employees will allow the lorries into the factory. Next one, we have to register our names if you want to enter into the factory. Next one, the workers will appointing to work the factory. Okay children, so these all works are stage by stage work children. So paper making is so many stages. So every stage the workers are supervising. So machines are making this with the help of electricity, etc. Okay children, now I want to show you some pictures in this lesson. Look at. Now look children here. So that is the factory area. So now look at here. Now look at here. Here also the entrance of the factory, production of exchange into livelihoods. So Andhra Paper Mill Rajahmundry. What it is? Andhra Paper Mill Rajahmundry. So this is the entrance children. This is the inside. Okay. Now it is running by electricity children. Now you come to the next page children here. Page number 85. So now look at the lorries are bringing subabul or bamboo etc. Lorries waiting with bamboo loads. So this is the load children, bamboo load. So this is the entrance. Then the workers will allow after 9:30 AM. They will unload that. Look at how many lorries are waiting there here one by one. So that is the position children. Next to look children here, lorry lifter. So now look at here. Okay children, we found 4-5 lorries with loads of subabul wood waiting outside the mill gate. Only after 9:30 AM they would be allowed to enter the mill. There were separate gates, one for the workers and the other large gate for the vehicles. We had prior permission from the paper mill authorities. To visit the paper mill, we entered our names in the register at the security room near the gate and went into the mill. Later lorries also entered the mill. Okay, so that is the condition. Every day it is following. Okay children, so the remaining lesson I shall teach you in the next class. Thank you.